We're in Northern Ireland.
We've been to Ireland before, but we never made it up to Northern Ireland.
At the time, I don't think we realized that there was like an Ireland and then a Northern Ireland that were two separate countries. We actually spent yesterday exploring Belfast and we got to see the Titanic Museum.
You could hear the noise from where we lived, but nothing prepared you for the size of the flood.
We got to see the Belfast Castle, which is free and amazing.
That's the only kitty I'll pet.
Today, we're hopefully going to be heading out towards the coast. As we get going here and Tyler backs up out of our Airbnb.
I did good today.
Not so good yesterday. As we get going, I wanted to say that the tour we're doing today is not really a tour. One of the top sites to see in Northern Ireland, you have to book tickets online for a specific time slot. So that's our tour, although I don't really think it's going to be like a tour.
Yeah.
If that makes sense. Hopefully we make it up there in time. We got a little bit later of a start than we wanted. We have a little bit of bad news. Apparently, there's a storm in Ireland right now.
Already made her mark, dumping 5 centimetres of rain on Cork in Southern Ireland, where the army were called in to help with evacuations. The streets turned into rivers, and now she's heading here.
So, because of that storm, the ropeway is closed today due to high winds. We can walk and go check it out, but we can't go across it today.
And it sounds like it may be tomorrow too.
It's pretty windy. To the end, but it's closed off and we won't get to go any further.
It's pretty windy though. I'm kind of okay that it's closed. That would be pretty scary. It's beautiful out here though.
Yeah, I guess we turn around now.
Yeah.
So slow. On the way back, we did stop at the cafe that they have in the parking lot and we got this Yellow Man candy, which is apparently like a local candy made from seaweed.
It looks interesting.
But yeah, we're gonna try it. Rock, paper, scissors.
All right.
Winner tries first or second?
First.
Winner tries first, okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh.
On shoot!
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I win. I think I lose because I have to open the bag.
It's very hard. I don't know how you do it. It's very good. It's very sweet. It's like you would just like suck on it for a little while. You just bite a piece off.
Would you buy it again?
No.
We did end up making our way over to Giant's Causeway. We figure we don't know if the weather is gonna get worse tomorrow or better. So we went down to the visitor center area first, and if you go there, you have to pay $13.50 per person, whereas if you come to this parking lot like up the road, it's only $10 for parking. There are apparently 2 hikes you can do here. One that goes all the way up to the top of the cliffs to kind of get a view down, and one that we're doing which we think goes down to the bottom. And we think that if you pay the $13.50, that includes a shuttle service to kind of get you down there so you don't have to do the hike. So far it doesn't look that bad, but I think it's gonna be rough going back because it's all gonna be uphill on the way back. So
Pretty busy spot.
we found kind of a hidden cove though.
We did. It's kind of nice.
Yeah.
It is actually pretty cool. Like these rocks are amazing.
It's worth the $10 parking.
Yeah, it was worth it.
Next stop on our list today was actually recommended by the guy we picked up our rental car from.
Thank you, budget guy.
It's Morton's of Ballycastle. It's supposed to have the best fish and chips here in Northern Ireland, so we're gonna see if it lives up to the hype or not.
Hi. Can I get cod, battered cod and chips? Okay,
Thank you.
good. Thank you.
We finally got our food. All right, you gotta try the fish. See if it lives up to the hype. The moment of truth.
So hot. I did pretty good. It's about the same as my other one, so.
It's the moment of truth. I actually think it's really good. The batter isn't slimy like other places.
That's true.
That's what I like. Our goal for the day, even though we have nothing planned, is to kind of drive along from south to north of the Antrim coast, which I believe is where a ton of the Game of Thrones things were filmed. And I feel like this is a good time to make note that Tyler and I have never once seen a single episode of Game of Thrones. So if we do happen to see any of these like famous places, we will have no clue. And after making a stop at the Dark Hedges and driving south for a while, we realized the weather was only getting worse. So rather than continue the journey in a rainstorm, we decided to turn around and head towards Derry. Now it is quite a bit later in the day, but it has finally cleared up. It stopped raining, and after making a quick stop at a different castle,
We're here at Dunluce Castle. It's closed. We're here too late.
we've made it to White Rocks Beach, which is absolutely stunning. After making it through the traffic, we've made our way to Northern Ireland's highest pub. We decided to go with the shepherd's pie and fish and chips. We figured we had to do something a little more traditional with our last day in Ireland. Anyways, before we head off to Amsterdam tonight, we just wanted to say thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you liked that video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye. We found the cutest little miniature horses over here. Absolutely adorable. Tyler,
What?
did you see the bird in the tree?
No. Whoa.